Come over here. Let's move the chair a little bit.
He's looking at Gracie, Joe.
Come on over here. Come on over here, honey. Honey.
No? Not, maybe? Yes? Maybe?
Come on, honey. Come on. Come and see Nunu. So let it, Papa, sit down.
Here he is.
Come on over here. Oh, Marunani. Oh,
Ribbit.
you get too big for Nunu.
Ribbit.
Do you stay at a hotel or do you stay in like the mountains?